guys, hola chicos, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a Halloween makeup look. If you haven't been to my channel, welcome. My name is Bianca. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's a little button down below, click it. And today I'm doing a Cruella De Vil inspired Halloween look. I wanted to make her a little bit more glam, and I definitely wanted to do her iconic green eyeshadow look and a bold red lip. So I did that today, and then I added just some little rhinestones right underneath my eyes just because it is super popular right now. And I really wanted to do a Cruella De Vil makeup look this year just because she is so iconic. I feel like everyone knows who that is as soon as you put that outfit on. And it's not too spendy, it's pretty affordable. So there's what I came up with. If you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell.
So we're starting off with the eyes today, and I'm using the Morphe and Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I'm using What's the Tea. It's definitely not a super warm transition shade because we are going to be using green and I don't want it too warm there. But it's a really good shade to use as a transition shade. And I'm just using that with any fluffy brush. And I did one eye off camera just because I wanted to know what I was doing and have it all put together. And then I'm using that dark green, like a foresty green shade. It doesn't have a name anymore. It's by Makeup Geek, but I have no idea what it is. So just use any like dark green almost to like the black shades and just use that as a transition. Don't move it too far up because you do want it to be like create a shadow and to have more depth there. And then just to create an even more intense crease, I am using black with a really like a fine precision brush, and I'm just blending that out and then putting as much or as little as I want. And I'm going back in with the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, and I'm using the shade Nate. It's a super beautiful like electric neon green, and I'm using that all over my lid. And I'm gonna do eyeliner and lashes off screen just so I won't take so much time. And then I'm just wiping off all that extra product or fallout that fell down on my face just to make sure I have a clean face for foundation. So moving on to foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in Toffee. It's a little bit too dark, so I mixed, I believe, Dulce de Leche, but I'm not fully sure if that's the shade. I just mixed them together and then I blended it out with a makeup sponge. Alright, I think we get it. That's enough of me blending. I'll move on to concealer now. So for concealer today, I'm using the Skin Concealer by Kylie Jenner. I'm using the shade Maple. This is the first time I used it, and I'm not fully sure if I totally like it yet. I don't know if it's as much coverage as I really like, but it was really creamy. It was really nice, set nice and everything. I just don't know if it's the coverage that I really like, but I mean, I'll keep using it, see how I like it. It was pretty good though. It gave me a nice highlight and everything, and it didn't make me like some concealers make me like crease really bad, and that one didn't. And then I'm using the translucent powder by RCMA. It's my favorite. I always use that one, and I'm just applying it everywhere that I put the concealer. And I definitely baked a little bit just to make sure that that makeup was staying on for a while. Alright, and for my face powder today, I'm using Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. It's called Deep Golden, and it's an Australian brand, and it's literally my favorite powder I've ever used. I use this in the outer perimeter, like where I would bronze typically, just because it is a darker shade. I like to warm up my face first with this and then go in with bronzer, and then I don't have to use as much bronzer, and it's more blended out nicely and more flawless that way. But this powder is so good. It makes your skin look super natural, not cakey at all. I love it. I've used it for probably a year now, and I keep on buying more. Alright, so moving on to the lower lash line, I'm using that same precision brush with What's the Tea. Again, right on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to move in with that green shade, the foresty green shade again. And then bringing that super electric green shade that's called Nate all through my lower lash line as well, because I really wanted it to be intense and to be bold. And then I'm going to put mascara on and then do my brows off screen, and I'll be right back. Oh, I'm here. And we're going with highlight. I'm using the shade Opal by Becca Cosmetics. It's literally like such a beautiful shade for someone that's more medium toned or tan. It's super, super nice. I love this highlight. And I'm just using that in all the high points of my face, cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow. I usually don't put any on my chin, but you can put some on your chin if you have a small chin. And I'm just highlighting that nose. And I'm using some little rhinestones and putting them right underneath my eyeballs. And just slap on a red lip and put on, you don't gotta put on, but I'm putting on a wig. I got this on Amazon, and I'll link it down below because it's a really good wig. And I got the gloves and little cigar as well, and I'll link those down below. Alright, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll put all my social media links down below, and I'll link these guys down below as well if you want to get them. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, chicos.
All around my room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.